of School of Scholars Malkapur. Myself Parva Sefi from class 6 Peacock.
Myself, Arohit Ravi from class 6 Peacock.
Myself, Purvi Lokhande from class 6 Peacock.
And myself, Shravasti Sandeep Zanke from class 6 Peacock. Purvi, do you know why we are gathered here?
Yes, I know that we are gathered here for chopper competition. Arva, do you know the topic?
Our today's discussion topic will be participation of women in election and democracy. Arohi, tell something about the topic.
Alright, I will explain about it. Women's participation in election is important for a strong and exclusive democracy. Will you help me to describe it more better?
Okay, I will help you. While women's voter turnout is steadily increased, their overall political engagement and representation in elected positions still lag behind males. Shravasti, please say something more about it.
Yes, factors like caste, class, and regional influences also play a role in shaping the women's political environment.
Absolutely, you are right. Voter turnout has generally increased, but their overall political engagement beyond voting remains lower than men's.
Representation in elected positions. Despite some progress, women remain underrepresented in legislatures, both at national and state levels.
Purvi, I want to share you a joke. Why did the politician bring a magnet to the rally? Do you know the answer?
No, I don't know the answer. Please tell me, Shravasti.
The answer is to attract vote.
Wow, what a wonderful joke it was.
Leave the joke and come to our main point is to participation of women in election and democracy.
In many countries, citizens have the right to vote in election, allowing them to participate in democratic progress.
These facts highlight the importance of election in democratic society. These aspects to make them function.
Women should participate in election because women have the right to participate in election and shape their own future.
There are various types of election, including general elections, by-elections and local elections. Arva, tell us something information about democracy also.
Democracy gives power to the people. We elect leaders and they are accountable to us.
Democracy values diverse perspectives, promotes transparency, and it fosters innovation.
Democracy means government by the people. The people do this by electing their representatives to the government. The other citizens of a country have the right to vote in democracy.
बहकावे में कभी ना आना, सोच समझकर बटन दबाना.
Your vote, your choice.
Thank you.
Thank you.